Hi. Hi, welcome to my beautiful home. Let me give you guys a tour. You'll see the dining room area, and this is so awkward. Then over here, so right when you walk over here, this is a mural of crosses that we've gotten from places that we visited. So this one's from San Antonio. We got it at a market. That one's from San Antonio too. If you guys look at my video, the one I filmed recently, we got it at that specific church. And then we got this one at Ireland. And then this one my mom is collecting. Once you start walking over here. Okay, so the house is still kind of like a little bit messed up because we're still moving into this house. So we have some stuff in storage and we're getting stuff out of the boxes. So over here we have an island, and here is a sneak peek of what's to come about a new tour of the house, because Halloween's coming up and also Thanksgiving and Christmas, so there'll be like 2 or 3 videos different about the house tour. So when you look straight up or in front of you, you'll see like the TV, which is my dad's prized possession. Very much prized possession. So, my mom wanted me to show this part because she's very proud of me. Ow. This is our pantry. And then when we start walking outside of the kitchen, over there is my dad's office, but for privacy reasons, I'm not really gonna film inside of there. You can only see like the outside or none at all because of privacy reasons. Over here, we have the storage closet, and then this is my brother's Desmond's room. Then we start getting out of this room. Okay. Once you start walking around the Desmond's room, there's a big hallway which leads to 4 rooms. The restroom, my room, Jillian's room, and my mom and dad's room. If you turn this way, this is where I get ready for school on daily. I shower here. I do my business here too. And this is my side of the restroom. And then this is my brother Desmond's side of the restroom. Okay, once you get out of the restroom after doing your business, this is the room. This is my room. So once you open the door, and I'm not going to go in full detail about my room. It's just a brief review. But once you see my room, you could see a few pieces, my bed, a really big bed, the closet, my beautiful fridge that I paid with my money, and then my desk, all of my important things. Once you start getting out of my room, the next room that we're going to be turning into is the hallway, and then my brother Killian's room. And in this room, my brother Killian and little sister Paulina sleep here. So once you guys start getting out of Killian's room, you're gonna see a door straight that way. For privacy purposes, we're not gonna film inside, like showing the room, but we're just gonna show you guys the restroom. Okay, well, once you walk straight in my parents' restroom, you can see what I'm very, very jealous of. Then over here is the door to my mom's closet, and she did give me permission to show the closet. But some of her stuff is still in storage, as the others of my family are still in storage. But whatever she has now is what we're gonna show off. So once you walk in, you could see her beautiful, organized shoes. You could see her heels, her shoes, and her beautiful bags. And more shoes and bags. Then over here is also bags and jewelry. Then over here she has her jackets and pants and her everyday wardrobe shirts. Here on this side is my parents' shower. As you can tell, very beautiful. So over here is my mom's. No? Over here is my mom's side of the restroom. So there's two sinks, and this is her side. This mirror is separate, so it goes really bright during the morning. Really bright. Over here she has all her makeup and her skincare. And then in here is her personal items that she uses too to get ready. Over here on this side is my dad's side. So once you turn to the left, after going there, this is my dad's side of the sink. So he has all his personal items and the gadgets he uses for skincare, beauty, and looking good. And here is also his personal items, and my dad actually chose this side of the room because it had this. Then once you look here and straight, this is my parents' restroom. I don't know if I'm gonna film that, no? Okay, we're not gonna film in here because of privacy reasons. But this is my parents' restroom. Toilet. Then once you look on this side is your way to my dad's closet. My dad gave me permission to show whatever he has to the storage, whatever he got from the storage so far. So once you walk into my dad's closet, you could see his very, very fancy shoes, his wardrobe, his pants, shorts, fancy pants, his belts, his clothes, fancy clothes, jackets, and his jackets. Then up there is some boxes. Again, we're still unpacking. And then right here is also stuff that we're planning to organize later. What's today?
Today is the beginning of a lifetime.